Yahuah. Put the blood of the Lamb on the doorpost of my heart. Wash my soul clean with the blood of the Lamb to set me apart. Yahuah, pour into me your Ruach HaKodesh as I drink the blood of the Lamb and eat his flesh. In the kingdom, may I sit at the Passover table, part of the vine, with my King, eating unleavened bread and drinking covenant wine. Yahuah, pour into me your Ruach HaKodesh as I drink the blood of the Lamb and eat his flesh. Abba Yahuah, I'm thankful for the opportunity each year to partake of Yahusha, the Passover sacrifice, through the Master's Supper. His flesh, represented by breaking and eating bread free from sinful leaven. His blood, represented by drinking the fruit of the vine. So now I examine myself to remove the leaven in my life and repent of all sin, so that I may be found worthy to partake of Yahusha. This I do in remembrance of him.